Hello, hi, this is Anurag from B-Ghud Kochi, and today I would like to talk about these two tenses in English. So today's video is about clearing the confusion of these tenses. Let's get started. So when you learn these two tenses, what you need to understand is finished time and unfinished time. So if you're wondering what is finished time and what is unfinished time, I'll give you two examples. Alright, so look at these examples here. John saw a movie last week. John has seen a movie last week. If you look at the time here, it says last week. And we know that last week is a time which is already over, so it's a finished time. It is not an unfinished time, right? It's already over. So, John saw a movie last week is perfectly fine. The sentence is correct. However, John has seen a movie last week is wrong because you cannot use a finished time with present perfect. So you need to understand one thing: when you talk about something that happened in the past, and if you are mentioning a particular point of time in the past, always remember, if it's a finished time, use simple past, never use present perfect. Now look at these two examples here. I've written John saw 2 movies since last week. John has seen 2 movies since last week. If you look at the time indication here, it says since last week. It's not saying last week, it says since last week, which means something that started last week and something that is still going on, which means we are talking about an unfinished time. So always remember, if you're talking about an unfinished time, it's better to use present perfect and not simple past. So the tip for today is, whenever you talk about something in unfinished time, use present perfect, and when you talk about something in finished time, make sure you talk that in simple past. So that's it for today. Thank you. Stay tuned.